All right, back we go. It is Tuesday, February 9th. Going over some of the movers today. AUVI continues. Look at this. Oh my God. 500% on a low float with news. It's going to run. Look at this here. You thought maybe here's a sell. It came down. Look, it touched your 1320 EMA. That's why it's an either or. You can play it to here. If it breaks through, sell. That's a dip buy, though, because it holds. Again, right here, it's another tougher move. You just sell here. I mean, you're taking big profit anyway. Just a matter if you're going to hold the rest of this move. It's pretty unbelievable. All right, so let's move on from that. There's always runners. Every day there'll be runners. USWS. $40 million float. Market cap 81 million. Operates oil field service company, United States. Hydraulic fracturing. Is it fracturing services, oil, natural gas. So most of these stocks I probably went over. I went over like a ton of them. So this dropped in March, bounced in April, bounced in June. You see it came all the way back to this like 25-cent line. Look at the volume down here. That's what you notice. See blips here, the big volume down here. This is the market is so strong in these penny stocks. When's all these going to crash? Who knows? His small caps are extremely hot. So 2021, this moved up. It moved down to 70 cents, bounce up, came down, and we're taking off here. The last few days, some of these stocks have been unreal. So, you got 1320 EMA support. If this comes back to one, it's still to be a dip buy. Today it's on fire. It's up at 36%. See this here, right over 120. There's a big shooting candle wick. And you can see it got over this one line. It was huge, the one line. 175 it touched. Once they start breaking these levels, you just really got to go by levels here. 175's got to get back to 2. So over here, this 2 level. I would look for next 350 in between that range, just 350, 250, because that's a lot of resistance right here, but not much going back compared to now. This thing is on fire. Just watch your stops on this. That's all you got to do. Mosey. $3.2 million float. 12 million market cap. This is smaller. Operates semiconductor company in North America, Japan, Taiwan, internationally. So looking at this, this has a gap right here. Right at this 12 line. And you can see I had a line here because it came down. And then I'm trying to get a line. So you put this line right down at, if we get the line here, right at 1. 1 is a huge mark in Pennyland. Said this many times. So you can see the big move here. So a gap down, another gap down, 2019. Look at this. Reverse split. And then, where's your other line here? It looks like this 6 line's pretty big. See this? Then you had a move up in April, tried to move, but you have a clear open space here. What do you see here? A little more volume. This thing's riding up. It's really riding up strong here. So ever since, got to pretty much this 152. Look at this ride. And then it's coming back each time. Look at that support on your 1320 EMA again. Look at the last 2 days. This thing has just been so strong coming out. Yeah, any pullback on all these could be ugly because they could pull a big red bar, but the market's too strong. It's not happening right now. If it does, watch for 3 support. And I'm trying to see this on the weekly, maybe. Yeah, we're right at 5. That's a big number too. 5, and I'm seeing here, 5 to 6. Look for this. If this can keep moving here. See this back and forth? You have the round it move now, sort of channeling. Looks like we're going to do this. So Mosey's looking very strong. SNDL. $435 million float. We went over this before. 2.2 billion market cap. Sundial Growers 209% gain. No one saw coming. Blah blah blah. Motley Fool. Yeah, this has been on fire too. This is cannabis, right? Cannabis sale in Canada. I've been talking about this one too. See this move down? You have the gap. Did many videos in this. See this, the low here, the move up, bounce down. Look at this, back and forth. See the lows getting higher. And look at the volume down here. Heavy volume. This thing rips. Over 1. Now today, it's up 33%. We're over 1. Into this little move here. If we get to the gap, 250, the way the market, everything's moving up. So you just have to play. If this pulls back, watch 125, one level. And, the next move here is going to be 2 to 250 right in here. Because everything's so strong at this point. These moves are incredible. They just keep moving, bouncing lows. That's the market. See how we're in a downtrend for a while, and everything seems like it's going this way now. It's just every stock, healthcare, cannabis, it's hard to explain. The market's up a little bit today, but. All right, so that's it. I mean, this keeps going. What's today look like on that? Not a bad day trade. You get your dip buying. So definitely look for 2 to 250 in this area. SNDL. A lot of great moves. So that's it. Just a little recap of these. Trying to point out next levels, what can happen. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twitch, Mike Cayman Trades. Twitter, Mike J Trades, I believe. And that's it. Peace.